So what's up guys, the Fiat is back in the garden. It's absolutely filthy from the drive home. We had to drive through like a field to take it out of Andy's shed, but the minute I try come out and do something with the Fiat, the Irish weather decides to piss on me. As you can see, literally as we speak, it just starts pissing hailstones, like it's hailstones, but we'll brave it anyway. The car is low. I'm going to take these arches off, jack the car up, take the wheels off and just power wash behind it just to get all the shit off it. I know it's unnecessary, but I want to do it to keep it nice and clean. It's booked for the NCT, so in Ireland we have an NCT, National Car Test, whatever, waste of time, so you can drive the car on the road. The car is taxed. I taxed it the other day, so she's taxed for 3 months. It's insured and it's waiting for the NCT, so I need to take off the arches and just power wash all the grime and dirt off the car. So yeah, I'm just going to do that off camera. There's no point in doing it, showing me washing the car. I'm not even going to wash it. I'm just going to power wash all the grime off it because the car will be getting painted, so all that stuff and all that jazz will be done beforehand. So the sun has come out for a few minutes because we know Ireland, it's going to rain in the next few minutes probably, but Fiat is clean. I just doused it off with some water with the power washer, then TFR'd the whole car, left it for a few minutes, power washed it off, and she looks good. So we do have all new hardware for all this here. Andy sorted us out with some new hardware. I also went and got some new hardware for the Mini because these screw head ones aren't very pretty. I did get hex ones and they sit in there nicer. They're not as big as these, so they're going to be a nice replacement to get rid of the stupid big screw ones, and they're stainless so they won't rust like all these ones here on the front. And I have a little screw in there, so all new hardware for the front of the arches on the both cars. Also I got new wipers for the car and I haven't put them on, so I'm actually going to put them on now. So there we have it, new wipers fitted, and these ones can go in the bin. So once again, old Mini, old faithful, just charging the battery a little bit. This battery goes dead because there's a clock in the car, and if you don't drive it every other day, it's been sitting here a few days, so if you don't drive it, it will go dead. So I don't know why it goes dead so fast, but 2 or 3 days, no driving, it literally goes dead. So just gonna give it a quick charge off the Mini, start it and leave it running for a while. Good old Mini gets the Fiat up and running. Happy days, just charge that battery. Don't worry, the car's warm. I'm not just revving the gick out of it when it's cold. Never rev a car when it's cold. But yeah, she's looking decent, she's looking clean, all good, running good now. Just let that charge for a bit and then knock it off. Have to head off, come back, do a few more bits and pieces, but I'm going to try and find the standard wheels to put the standard wheels on it for the NCT, and then NCT it, then it can go for paint. put a new riv nut in that because that one fell out, it was in bits. Put one in the bumper down here as well to hold on the arch properly. So the arches I have over here, we're going to send these off to get body worked, clean up the edges a bit, round them off, make them nice and tidy and get them painted. I might just paint them the same red we're colouring the car because there will be wrap going on these. There will be names and stuff and sponsor names and maybe Patreon names, whoever is on the Patreon, but we will see. We'll get these done, and then once this is NCT'd, we can walk away with the paint and delivery. So as usual, everybody, I really do appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe here somewhere. It's down here somewhere, yeah. Give the video a like, comment, and let me know what you think of how I'm doing with the channel. I really do appreciate everyone for watching. So that's it now. Peace out. See you in the next one. Be dedicated to anything you're doing. Life, cars, people. Be dedicated. Peace out. See you in the next one.